Everyone, Rich Conrad for RE/MAX Preferred Choice. Hope you're having a great day. In this week's Weekend Review, we only have two items to go over. The first item is very fast, just what's happening within development. At Dave & Buster's, they're opening in February. I apologize, they're opening in November. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar where Dave & Buster's will be, it's going to be right next to the theater. We have Dutch Brothers. They're coming within the next few months, not sure when, but they're opening right next to Gordon Biersch. And finally, the casino. They should, at least phase one, should be opening in February, which I found surprising, but supposedly they will be opening in February. Now, the big item is if you're currently working at our office or if you know me personally, you know that my big push for 2015 has been automation, systems, and efficiency. For instance, this year we purchased this agent website called Conversion. Now, what's nice about Conversion is just all the automation that happens in the back end. So I'll give you an example. When somebody visits your website, that visitor's email address, it could be their cell phone number, and also the IP address of their PC, as well as a lot of times social media information is automatically uploaded to your contact management system. And once that happens, drip emails are automatically sent out, alerts are automatically sent out. You don't have to do any work. All this happens automatically. Now, what we did not have, though, was something that was automated for our existing clients. Now, there's the new program we're about to roll out here in 2 weeks. We actually purchased it 2 weeks ago, but I want to make sure I understand it fully before we roll it out. As a contact management system and a transaction management system, it automates much of what you as a real estate agent would do yourself. Now, the easiest way to explain that is just to use an example of how I use that just literally just about 3-4 days ago. Now, as you know, I'm a recruiter, or part of my job is recruiter, in addition to product development. And what I did is I created a workflow for recruiting. Now, there's many steps there's many steps involved, and many people are involved when I meet an agent for the first time. And what I did, I created a workflow, and I literally, to do that, I took out a piece of paper and I wrote down all the steps, when something should happen, the sequence of order, and also who's going to complete that task. And then once I actually created that workflow and I spoke to an agent, all I had to do is just literally add that agent's name to the contact management system, assign the workflow to that contact, and also write down the meeting date. So this is what happened. So on day one, after I assigned that workflow, our receptionist was emailed to update the calendar. So I didn't send out that email. An email was automatically sent out to our receptionist because I already created that email in advance. Also on day one, an email was sent out to Mike Duran. And Mike Duran, for those of you who are unfamiliar, he owns his own search engine optimization company. So if an agent comes on board, what he does, he creates the social media. He also adds that agent's business to anywhere between 125 to 150 different websites. And he also makes that agent more visible on the internet by improving their rankings and the search engines. So he was automatically emailed, and I didn't have to do that myself. Our branch manager was automatically emailed to create the recruiting book. On day two, a confirmation email was sent out to the real estate agent, just reminding them of the day and time. On day three, another email was automatically sent out to the real estate agent with directions and a map to our office. On day four, a reminder was actually added to our branch manager's calendar to confirm that appointment with the real estate agent. And on day five, a text would automatically be sent out to the agent just saying, "Hi, this is Rich, just looking forward to the meeting." So literally something that normally takes me about 20 minutes to do, meaning sending out the text messages, creating all the emails, I'd have to remember to actually do everything. I didn't have to do that in this case. I already created the workflow in advance, and then all I do is simply assign that workflow to the client. Now, you as a real estate agent would do the exact same thing, but that'd also be with your transactions instead of, in my case, it was recruiting. So it's going to simplify, it's going to also make you more efficient, and also reduce your workload. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.